Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I came up with this makeup look here. I just thought it was about time I came out of my little cave and I started to venture out with some colour. So today I used the Alexis Stone Instinct palette. This is a collab with Makeup Revolution, so that's just what the palette looks like here. So obviously I had to dabble. I had to dabble into colour and I think I used nearly every row in the palette apart from the grey, although I do have a makeup tutorial previously if you want to go and watch it where I did use the grey. I'm absolutely loving it. Beautiful, beautiful palette. And if you want to see how I created this makeup look with this eyeshadow palette, then just keep on watching. Oh my god. Look at the state of me. What? I am going to get started as quick as I can. Right at this very moment in time, I have no idea what I'm doing today, but I don't care. I am not getting up off this seat today until I do something colourful. I'm actually looking at my hairband and there's actually a lot of colours in this eyeshadow palette that's like in my hairband. If like those types of colours here. I might actually get some inspiration from my hairband. I'm going to go into the yellow shade and I'm just going to start at that inner corner. Just right in at that tear duct really. And I'm just going to pack this shade on. And I'm not too sure if you'd be able to notice or not, but look how bad my skin is at the minute. Have you ever seen my skin so bad in all your life? Well, I know I haven't. I'm going to use this shade here. I'm also just going to place this shade just in that upper crease area, just beside where I placed the yellow. And I'm just going to start by packing that shade on first of all, so that I can be a wee bit precise with my placement. And so I can see where I'm laying it down. And I'm just overlapping the yellow the tiniest wee bit, so that it can transition into an orange, just where it meets. I'm going to go back into that yellow brush again, and I'm just going to blend in between that red and yellow. I'm going to go back into that red shade again, and I'm going to take that over a wee bit more, slightly to the yellow. Oh, okay, so I think I'm going to take a mixture between these two purple shades here. Because we're using a different colour this time, we're going to be using a different brush. So yeah, I'm just going to place this just beside that red. And again, I am overlapping. Because we're on through the purple, the previous colour that we used was the red, so we're going to keep now at the red brush handy. And you can go back into the red shade, just to make it a wee bit easier and blending them out. Them out. I can't believe how easy these shadows are to blend. I'm going to take this vibrant pink shade and I am going to blend the yellow, the red and the purple out with that pink. So with matte shades, as you keep on blending and blending, sometimes you do lose a wee bit of the pigment where it can just slightly just dust off. So every now and again you will see me just going back and applying a wee bit more colour and a wee bit more of the pigment. Exciting times! I'm going to take this shade here. I'm going to focus that just on that bottom half of the crease and outer corner. I'm going to slightly bring onto the lid as well. And then I'm just going to pack that on before I go and blend it out. Taking a new brush. I'm going to be taking this wee brush here. Going into the palette again. I'm going to grab this shade here. And I'm just going to blend that out. And I'm going to take a mixture between these two shades, just in the outer corner. I'm going to go back into that purple shade because I don't know if you can see, but I can see, but there's a definite wee line there. I'm going to be taking the concealer brush by Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. This is the concealer brush that I always use to cut my creases and to carve out my eyebrows. It's absolutely perfect. I just love how thin it actually is, so you can get a really sharp definite line. Are you serious? Every time I have like one eye done, my door knocks and that's the postman. Like as if I'm going to answer the door looking like this. Not too sure whether I want to go in with this palette or one of these wee toppers. Do you know what? I'm going to use both. I'm going to go with the BARM holographic eyeshadow topper. So this is what it looks like there, and this is the shade Asteroid. So I'm going to let that dry down a wee bit, and then I'm going to go in with one of the shadows from the Alexis Stone palette. Okay, let's do this. I literally just went downstairs to see what the post was because I'm expecting a few bits of PR coming, so I'm guessing that's what it was. So it was actually in my shed. Wow, that is the biggest PR package I think I have ever received in my life. Like I opened the shed door and I was like, did my mom order a fridge? Like I'm not even joking, it is the biggest box ever. Anyway, we're not here to talk about PR. Start on the outer corner. I'm going to take a mixture between these two blue shades here, but mainly this wee one here. So I'm just going to pack this just on that outer corner. And I'm just going to start blending that into those outer corner shades. I'm going to take one of these shades and I'm just going to apply it on top of the BARM topper. It just looks like a white eyeshadow, but once you actually swatch it you can see that it has shifts of purple, turquoise and blue. Okay guys, so as you can see I just went off camera there to do my other eye. I done my liner, lashes, and I put on some false lashes. The false lashes I'm using are Blinxy Lashes, and these are in the style, well let me see, Sassy. So I did have to cut them in the inside because they were a wee bit long and I didn't want to cover up the eyeshadow too much. And look at my face. Like I just scratched my nose and that's what happened. I clearly had like blue up my nail, like you can see it, the tiniest wee bit there. But seriously, like I just get so much stuff on my face. So I'm just going to prime the skin. I'm going to be using this wee MUA base moisturising primer. Screw it, we're doing the fingers today. Where the hell did that blue come from? Then for foundation I'm going to be using Huda Beauty, and this is in the shade Shortbread. I love this foundation. I really do not know why I'm using it today because I'm not doing anything. I'm going nowhere, and probably as soon as I finish filming this I will probably take all this makeup off. But yeah, I'm using my favourite high-end foundation. I'm just going to start by stippling this into the skin. For my concealer I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer, and I've actually caught on to myself that I still call it Makeup Revolution, and I am aware that it's now called just Revolution, but I always seem to just call it Makeup Revolution. I'm just going to set lightly then with the Technic Superfine Translucent Powder. My favourite powder of all time, the Cody Airspun. I know so many people that love or hate this powder. I love it. I absolutely love it. Even the smell of it, I love. I recently repurchased this. I used this every day and every time I filmed a makeup tutorial, I think last year on my YouTube channel. that smell just takes me back to last year. The good old times whenever I didn't actually care about getting nowhere on YouTube. But anyway, we'll not go there. Absolutely love it. And then I'm just going to go on with my Colourpop Flexitarian. But I'm currently trying to use up this shade here, so that's the shade we're going for. And I got this wee palette off eBay. I will admit it was quite a while ago. It's probably out of date by now, but it works fine. Maybe that's why I'm getting spots. To then bronze, I'm going to be using this wee one from Maybelline. Okay, let's finish off the eyes, shall we? This shade here. I think I want to extend that a wee bit more. I'm going to take this blue shade. I'm just going to run that just along my lower lash line. Then I'm also going to take the yellow shade and I'm also just going to pop that in the inner corner of the lower lash line. I'm going to go into this purple shade. And then I'm going to take that brush and blend that out. Back into the Alexis Stone Transformation palette. I'm going to take this blue shade that I was using. So that's us done. I'm just going to put a wee bit of eyebrow gel on. And that is us. Oh, and have you noticed that I'm back to blonde again? My purple didn't last long, did it? Thankfully. Absolutely hated it. I really like this palette. And as you can see, these colours blend absolutely beautifully. I have to say, I am so impressed with this eyeshadow palette. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter, and also I will have my Depop down below as well, so don't forget to follow me on all those. And thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.